Before you order natural 0.02mm Vloop super thin, you seriously need to see this. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this natural 0.02mm Vloop super thin changes everything. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it is super lightweight and durable, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it makes your daily routine effortless. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it sells out everywhere. Before you order natural 0.02mm Vloop super thin, you seriously need